How to view your blocked accounts on Snapchat. If you have blocked someone on Snapchat and you would like to view the list of all the blocked accounts, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video, you will learn how to view your blocked accounts on Snapchat. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Snapchat app. Then make sure to log in on your Snapchat account. Once you have done that, select the chats icon. But after that, you need to select the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen if you have blocked anyone on Snapchat. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access your settings page. Once you get access to the settings page, you have to scroll all the way down. And under account actions, select block users. Here you will see all the blocked accounts on Snapchat. If you wish to unblock them, you need to simply tap on the cross mark next to their username. And if you're sure that you want to unblock this Snapchatter, you can select yes and unblock them and start chatting with them as well. So that is how we easily view the blocked accounts on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from the channel. Without any further ado, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.